Well, the opposition is mounting pressure, but the government is not going to back down either. We have inside details now of what Prime Minister Modi told his cabinet during the meeting on this particular bill, on the G Ram Ji bill, which would replace the Manrega scheme. Payal, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details. Payal, we're given to understand that as far as this meeting of the cabinet goes, the Prime Minister made a strong pitch for more accountability of state governments as well when it comes to rural employment.
Yes, the Prime Minister is said to have told his colleagues on three important points, Poonam. Number one being that accountability will have to be fixed, and therefore technology use, with the fact that the scheme is now going to be connected with Gati Shakti, will provide that impetus to make sure that nobody is able to misuse that. मिट्टी इधर से उधर डालने का जो scam chalta tha, jiski wajah se people would get employment, that is going to be done away with. The Prime Minister has also said it is high time that accountability is fixed as far as the states are concerned. For several years, the centre has been at the receiving end, saying that you did not provide funds, you do not provide funds. But that actually can be more of a realistic picture. Now they also have the power to decide where they need to deploy, and of course accountability will be fixed. And the third important point, the Prime Minister said that time and again names have been seeing a change, and there is no way to disrespect Mahatma Gandhi, and there is no way to in fact impose Ram on everybody, because Ram is everybody's as well. So that is something which has been said very, very clearly by the Prime Minister in the cabinet meeting Friday. Interestingly, there were certain reports which said that probably the bill would be named as Pujya Bapu bill, but now the final authority has decided that the bill is going to be called a Viksit Bharat G Ram Ji bill, much to the alliance of the opposition parties. But the Prime Minister had pure logic to give to his colleagues when he spoke to them, and each one of them, including the alliance partners, also lauded the Prime Minister's contribution for such an idea.
Right, so the government there is going to push forth as far as this legislation goes. The opposition, on the other hand, also standing firm. We'll have to see where this goes from here. But for the moment, Payal, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that.